All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says, write the equation that shows that the top line, this is the top line, is the same length as the bottom line. All right, this is the bottom line. When presenting your final answer, combine all like terms. All right, so long story short, we're just writing an equation. That means there's going to be an equal sign. Big clue. Okay, so if we look here, they say, well, I want you to show me that the top is the same as the bottom. And if you look, you can kind of see that they line up. They are equal length. So visually, that makes sense. They are equal. So let's just do exactly what they say. The top line is 110, and it's being added to 5x. So you just write, well, this is just 110 plus 5x. No problem there. Good. And then we got to do the bottom line. So we already know they're equal. It tells us they're equal, and we can see it visually. So here we go. And so basically, you just know that this piece is adding to this piece, is adding to this piece, and it's adding to this piece. And all these pieces are adding together. So for our first step, you can just kind of show that you're adding all these pieces together. 25 plus x plus x plus x plus 12 plus 3x plus 40. And technically, you've done it. But then it does have this nice little instruction at the end. When presenting your final answer, combine all like terms. Okay, well, let's combine our like terms. On this side of the equal sign, we got 110 plus 5x. Well, that's that. There's no like terms there. Let me scoot on down a little bit. So it says right here, combine like terms. Well, these are no like terms, so this is done. We have 110 plus 5x. Okay, that's my left side. And now I got to combine my like terms on this side. So we can tackle our constants first. I have a 25, x, nope. Oh, I have a 12, 3x, nope. And I have a 40. Okay, well, 25 plus 40, that's 65, plus 12, that's 77. Let's double check our math and do it a different way. 25 plus 12 is 37, and 37 plus 40 is 77. So I got 77, that's a constant, no variable. And now let's check my x's. I have 1, 2, 3, and then 3 more. Well, 3x plus 3x is 6x. And there you go. You have just written an equation that shows that the two lines are equal. And we combined the like terms. Good job. All right. Thanks for doing some Mathity-Math with me. As always, if you want more practice, don't forget to subscribe below. And also, if there is a problem you want to see, just drop me a comment and I will try to make a problem to help you practice the skill you need to practice. Bye.